evening. Go for it, Colaba. Feliz Navidad.
That was simply delightful. I think it was amazing. And thank you. Where's Jonette? Where are you? Thank you so much, because she was the one who conceptualized today's evening program, and it's been beautifully done. We started on time, we're punctual, and I can't tell you, I'm going back with the song in my heart. Thank you, Father Superior and his team, for giving us this beautiful place. It's so calm, it's so serene. And Sabrina, who actually spearheaded the whole thing. This is our second year that we've done this. Yeah, big clap for everybody. Hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! This is the second year that we've organized, and I think we are many shades better than what we did last year, and I think it's just going to get better and better, though I don't see any scope because it was beautiful today. This is under the aegis of calm, and I think I heard one of the kids say that, we want a better Colaba. So we have a Santa here in the shape of a corporator, so thank you. And he's a phone call away, and he always supports all our endeavors, so I think we could call him our Santa. Imran, have you just walked in, I believe? Here's Imran, who actually works behind the scenes. Makran, please come. Because you're the Santa, I've declared you the Santa. So thank you everyone. Imran and Makran, would you like to say something? Yeah, come.
Yeah. Father Arun, can you please have it here?
Father Arul, thank you so much. Thank you friends for being here. Sorry I got held up somewhere. This is Makran, of course you all know Makran Narvekar. He's our Santa, as Renu just said. But Makran, publicly I'm still telling you a lot of gifts still to come from you. Okay? And sorry, I push him all the time. But that's we'll have Christmas every year, yes, but your gifts have to come now.
If everything given one time.
This Santa has a huge bag, you please give it to us. We are fine. Okay, I just wanted to share something with you, with my friends, something my wife sent me. We've heard the story of the three wise men who came when Jesus was born to Bethlehem, right? But this is something slightly different. And you also saw all the ladies here who are doing so much for Calm. So what she sent me reads like this. If there were 3 wise women instead of the 3 wise men, so if there were 3 wise women, they would have first asked for directions, they would have arrived on time, helped deliver the baby, brought practical gifts, cleaned the stable, made a casserole, and then there would definitely be peace on earth. So, this is to all the ladies in Calm who push us, who help us. Sorry, they don't help me, they help all the neighbors. And I really request all you people to please help us, to please encourage us. We are really trying our best, but we are very few. We are hardly 8, 10. It's Calm and MDC together, that's Colaba Advanced Locality Management and My Dream Colaba. And together we're trying to do a lot of things. And I once again thank all the ladies in the group. It's truly been an interfaith thing. There's Renu, there's Sabrina, there's Rashna, there's Hema, there's our lady on the keyboard, Charmaine. And where's Jonette? Sorry. Jonette gets, we tell her jump, she says how high. She gets Christmas cakes for the kids, chocolate cakes for the kids in all the practices. This is amazing, yeah. What about hello? What about us? Okay, Cynthia, Bella, Nandita, there are so many. So thank you once again, and I really request all of you, go back, tell your neighbors about us. And it's all these kids over here who are literally pleading to us seniors and elders, please give us a lovely Colaba. So we are really trying to do it. We're asking you all, please help us make Colaba better for us and our kids. Thank you so much. Bye. May you all have a very happy Christmas, a wonderful New Year, and I think 26 Jan we will be having a flag raising at the Seawind Annex, the Seawind, what do you call that? The setback, which Makran is going to give us. Thank you.
I overlooked thanking the entire group here, the choir, who sang so beautifully, and the children, you dressed so appropriately and you did a great job. Thank you ever so much.
You give it to the children. Santa, Santa, Lady Santa, Lady Santa, Lady Mrs. Santa.
We request you to kindly stay back and have a hot cup of coffee.
Which is free, by the way. It's free.
You're all there. Your bag
Why so?
Clicking as usual.